So betrayal is one of the most painful of the human experiences. I mean, think about it. This was the person who you trusted the most, who proved untrustworthy. This was the person you'd run to when other people are causing harm, who turns out to be the one who's causing the harm. So it shatters your sense of safety and security. It shatters life as you've known it. It's like an imprint on the body, the mind, and the heart, and it all needs to be healed, and it all can be healed. But for today, how about instead of just berating yourself and getting so down on yourself about all of the symptoms you may be struggling with post-betrayal syndrome, or how hard it is to heal, and how long you've tried, and all of these things, how about if you give yourself a little bit of credit for how far you've come? This is a monster to heal from. You can heal from all of it, move through the 5 stages from betrayal to breakthrough, and you will. But for today, just give yourself some credit, give yourself some slack. Be the friend you'd be to anybody else, and be that friend to yourself. You will get through it. You can get through it, and you will create a version of you that will blow your mind. And that's waiting for you in stages 4 and stage 5. But for today, just be a little lenient on yourself and give yourself all the credit, all the love, all the support, all the comfort that you so easily give to everyone else. Follow for more.